Can GPT-4 really be a great help in making you a millionaire? Let's check it out and see. 1. Business ideation and strategy idea generation. GPT-4 can analyze market demands, identify gaps, and generate innovative business ideas tailored to your interests and skills. Market analysis. It can provide in-depth market research and competitor analysis and identify trends to help you choose a profitable niche. Generate detailed business plans, including financial forecasts, marketing strategies, and operational blueprints, ensuring you have a solid roadmap to success. 2. Content creation and marketing. High-quality content can create engaging, high-quality content for blogs, social media, and marketing materials, helping you attract and keep customers. Develop SEO-optimized content with relevant keywords to improve search engine rankings, drive organic traffic, and increase visibility. Create personalized email marketing campaigns to engage your audience and boost conversions, leveraging segmentation and A/B testing. Learning and skill development. Educational resources. GPT-4 can provide access to tutorials, guides, and resources across various fields, such as coding, digital marketing, finance, and entrepreneurship. Continuous learning. Stay updated with industry trends, best practices, and new technologies to keep your skills sharp and competitive. 4. Efficiency and automation. Automate repetitive tasks, such as email responses, data entry, and scheduling, allowing you to focus on more strategic activities. Develop custom productivity tools that streamline your workflows, enhance efficiency, and reduce operational costs. 5. Investment and financial advice. Market insights. GPT-4 can analyze financial markets, providing insights into stocks, cryptocurrencies, real estate, and other investment opportunities. Risk assessment. Help assesses the risks and potential returns of different investment options, enabling you to make informed, strategic decisions. 6. Customer service and engagement. Chatbots and support. Implement AI-driven chatbots to handle customer queries, offering 24/7 support and improving customer satisfaction. Use data analytics to personalize customer interactions, providing tailored recommendations and enhancing user experience. 7. Innovation in products and services. Assist in designing, prototyping, and refining products or services based on user feedback and market research. Testing and simulation. Simulate and test product ideas to identify potential issues early, reducing development time and costs. 8. Networking and collaboration. Connecting with experts. Identify and connect with industry experts, potential partners, and mentors, facilitating valuable networking opportunities. Collaboration tools. Enhance remote work and collaboration with AI-driven tools that streamline communication, project management, and teamwork. Conclusion. While GPT-4 offers vast tools and capabilities that can significantly enhance your path to becoming a millionaire, the ultimate success depends on your execution, adaptability, and perseverance. Leveraging GPT-4's strengths in ideation, content creation, automation, and analysis can give you a competitive edge. However, human creativity, strategic thinking, and decision-making are essential to capitalizing on these tools. By combining GPT-4's capabilities with your unique vision and determination, you can navigate the path to financial success more effectively and efficiently. So, do you believe that GPT-4 can help you become a millionaire? I'm not sure if it would work for me. Hopefully, you enjoyed my tutorial. Please subscribe and check my links below.